Here is a list of 100 positive affirmations for improving piano performance. You can download this list from the link in the info section and in the comment section. Remember, affirmations are most effective when repeated regularly and believed deeply. Embrace these affirmations and let them guide you on your musical journey.
I am dedicated to mastering the piano. Every day, I become a better pianist. I am passionate about playing the piano. My fingers move effortlessly across the keys. I am committed to my daily piano practice. I find joy in every note I play. I am constantly improving my piano skills. I am focused and disciplined in my practice. I am capable of playing any piece I set my mind to. The piano is an extension of my soul. I am in tune with the music I create. I am motivated to practice regularly. I am patient with myself as I learn and grow. I am proud of my progress as a pianist. I am inspired by the beauty of music. I am confident in my abilities as a pianist. Every practice session brings me closer to perfection. I am dedicated to expressing myself through the piano. I am always eager to learn new pieces. I am resilient and overcome any challenges in my practice. I am in harmony with the music I play. I am constantly inspired by great pianists. I am determined to reach my full potential as a pianist. I am open to feedback and always looking to improve. I am passionate about sharing my music with others. I am grateful for the gift of music in my life. I am always in the mood to play the piano. I am excited about my journey as a pianist. I am always ready to face new challenges in my practice. I am in love with the sound of the piano. I am always seeking to refine my technique. I am dedicated to mastering even the most complex pieces. I am constantly amazed by the power of music. I am committed to being the best pianist I can be. I am always open to new learning experiences. I am proud of the dedication I show to my craft. I am always in sync with the rhythm and melody. I am excited about the endless possibilities on the piano. I am always ready to perform with confidence. I am a natural at expressing emotions through the piano. I am always looking forward to my next practice session. I am passionate about perfecting every note. I am always in the zone when I play the piano. I am committed to continuous growth as a pianist. I am always motivated by the joy of playing. I am in awe of the beauty of the piano. I am always striving for excellence in my performances. I am dedicated to sharing my passion for the piano with others. I am always eager to explore new musical styles. I am confident in my unique style as a pianist. I am always ready to embrace new challenges. I am passionate about connecting with my audience. I am always inspired by the music I create. I am committed to making every performance memorable. I am always in tune with my inner musician. I am excited about the journey ahead as a pianist. I am always ready to learn from my mistakes. I am passionate about expressing myself through music. I am always eager to push my boundaries. I am in love with the process of mastering the piano. I am always motivated by the magic of music. I am dedicated to leaving a lasting impression with my performances. I am always in awe of the power of the piano. I am committed to being a lifelong learner in music. I am always excited to share my music with the world. I am in harmony with every piece I play. I am always ready to dive deep into my practice. I am passionate about discovering new techniques. I am always inspired by the melodies I create. I am committed to being a source of musical inspiration. I am always in the moment when I play the piano. I am excited about the endless journey of musical discovery. I am always motivated to give my best performance. I am in love with the art of piano playing. I am always eager to explore the depths of music. I am dedicated to creating beautiful memories with my music. I am always in sync with the emotions of a piece. I am passionate about leaving a mark with my music. I am always ready to embrace the beauty of the piano. I am in awe of the journey of becoming a pianist. I am always motivated by the stories I can tell through music. I am dedicated to being a beacon of musical talent. I am always in tune with the heartbeat of the piano. I am excited about the adventures ahead in my musical journey. I am always ready to pour my soul into my performances. I am in love with the challenge of mastering new pieces. I am always inspired by the legacy of great pianists. I am dedicated to making every note count. I am always in the flow of musical creativity. I am passionate about bringing joy to others through my music. I am always motivated by the endless possibilities of the piano. I am dedicated to being a true artist on the keys. I am always in touch with the spirit of music. I am excited about the future of my musical journey. I am always ready to shine on the piano. I am in awe of the gift of music in my life. I am always motivated to practice with purpose. I am dedicated to being a master of the piano. I am always inspired by the world of music around me. I am passionate about leaving a legacy as a pianist.